Hi, I'm Jennifer Olejarz, a certified nutritionist with degrees in both psychology and foods and nutrition. And I intertwine the two to dive deep into how what we eat affects not only our bodies, but our mental health too. So I specialize in stress and emotional eating, weight management, and mindfulness. Now, I have done extensive research on the VaraSpan's formulation, and each ingredient really has its unique benefits for your body's energy production and the ability to fight inflammation, helping you to potentially live not just a longer life, but a higher quality one too. So let's dive into these ingredients. Now, first is DHA, which has been really popular these last few decades, getting a lot of research supporting just how positive it is for your heart and brain health, as it's also a major structural component of your brain. So it's incredibly anti-inflammatory. It can reduce your risk of certain chronic diseases associated with aging, like metabolic syndrome, irritable bowel disease, autoimmune conditions like arthritis, and Alzheimer's as well. So what makes VaraSpan's DHA a little more special is that it's vegan, and whether or not you are, this is important because it comes from algae instead of fish, which of course is directly impacting the health of our environment as well. So now Beta-NMN. This is a precursor to Nad Plus in our cells, and basically all these acronyms just mean this is a molecule that your body needs for energy and repair. I think we all remember from grade 8 biology, where we learn about how the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Well, this ingredient is basically what's getting your mitochondria working more efficiently. And without enough, we tend to basically have all the hallmarks of aging: losing energy, having difficulty with learning and memory, and inflammatory diseases. Fortunately, there is lots of evidence supporting that supplementing with NMN can have protective qualities of reducing all these risks. And with VaraSpan, you also get the safety of knowing that this ingredient is third-party lab tested, meaning that an outside source is assuring the quality and dosage. So now Resveratrol. This is basically what has made red wine kind of famous for being one of the healthier alcoholic drinks. It's a potent antioxidant from grapes, helping your arteries and cholesterol levels, and it also reduces oxidative stress, which is what damages our cells and leads to age-related diseases. Now finally, we have vitamin D, and this is obviously a very essential nutrient that so much of our population is deficient in, and it works to boost your immunity and reduce inflammation. So without enough, basically a lot of chronic diseases can be triggered, including cancer. And as we get older, we basically have a harder time absorbing it, whether it's from food or the sun. So most health professionals recommend supplementing with vitamin D. And with VaraSpan, you're getting vitamin D3, which is basically the most bioavailable source, so you can be sure that your body is absorbing it and using it efficiently. And then the vitamin that works in tandem with vitamin D is vitamin K. So this helps basically get all the calcium into your bones, and it works to prevent osteoporosis and support heart and brain health. So it's basically another antioxidant protecting your brain and your body from diseases and reducing inflammation. Now, what makes all these ingredients work so well together with VaraSpan is that they actually have a special capsule with oil in it. So this is their unique V-filled technology, and it allows for basically these little pellets of nutrients to be absorbed with fat, which is very important because a lot of these nutrients are basically only absorbed with fat, like vitamin D, for example. So to sum up, you are getting basically a multivitamin kind of supplement that works to give you a better quality of life and a potentially longer one too. And NMN is kind of the star ingredient here for longevity because it can really help keep you more energized and fight inflammation. Now, of course, you also always have to take that 360 holistic approach into health. So working on other habits like regularly practicing stress relieving activities and exercise, a good sleep schedule, and a lot of nutrient dense whole foods is basically going to be that way to help give you a little extra push, also with a supplement, to help you feel better that you're getting all the nutrients your body needs to live a long and healthy life.